Here is Wiki from Yu-Huang. We specialize custom all kinds of fasteners, auto parts, and CNC parts. Let me show around our factory. Hi, here is our raw material. Here is carbon steel 1022. Here is stainless steel.
Oh!
Here is our production machine line. Multi-position screw machine. We can produce M8 and M10 and M12 size screw. Here is thread loading machine.
Look! Wow!
Is TT screw for plastic. This is our optical sorting machine.
What product is this machine testing?
Security support. Here is our manual for inspection workshop. Here is our testing workshop. Yu-Huang is global fastener solution expert. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.